We are here in the 7th grade science classroom, and we are talking to one of our favorite teachers a little bit about microscopes. Tell us about these microscopes.
All right, so my name is Ashley Stanton, and I teach 7th grade science. 7th grade science is a lot of intro into biology and microbiology. And so one of the things I like to do is get the students familiar with microscopes, how to use a microscope, and then we can begin looking at the microscope world with them. But as you can see, some of our microscopes are rather old, kind of falling apart. And I like for each child to have one in their hands to use. And our class sizes are growing, and our class times are not, we don't have much time in the day. So having their own microscope to use is good. So I'm thinking about writing a grant to get some more good microscopes for my classroom, because some of the things, this week we're just starting on how to use it, and they're practicing using it. But once they figure out and learn how to use it, then we're going to go into actually looking at cells under the microscopes, comparing plant and animal cells. Also have some hay infusion going in my lab closet, and we're going to be seeing what kind of creatures we can find and growing in that hay infusion water. And so we have lots of fun things planned to use these microscopes. So I would just love to have some new ones for our classroom.
And some of the things that have benefited the Classroom from Education Foundation before are things like dissecting trays.
Dissecting trays we used. At the end of last year, we dissected our frogs, used all the trays and the tools. So yes, we used those.
And then the big skeleton, also.
You may see behind me, that was from the Education Foundation money.
So how are those things enhanced the teaching and learning opportunities?
Well, when we dissect, this year in science, we also learn about our bodies and body systems. And so when we dissect our frogs, we're comparing the organs and the body systems we see in the frog to what we learned about the human body previously in the year. And so the dissecting the frogs is one of the favorites we wrap up our year with. And it's just a great learning opportunity for the kids to get in there and actually see what we've been learning about all year. So we also, when we're doing body systems, we learn about our skeletal system. So it's nice to have our little skeleton friend to help learn our bones. So
thank you for all you do.
You're welcome.